Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 4 Marionfield Place in Cupar. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached family home, really high finish throughout, landscape garden to the rear, off-street parking for 2-3 cars, and it really is beautiful, and it's situated within this really quiet cul-de-sac within Cupar, walking distance to all your local amenities and schools. So what I'm going to do is flip the camera, take you on the tour, and then at the end I'll tell you how to get further details. So this is your property here, number 4, and it's beautifully situated within a really quiet cul-de-sac, no through traffic, so it's just perfect. 30 seconds along there you are onto Ceres Road, where you have Castle Hill Primary School and also the Cupar Golf Course. You've got the countryside views to the front, and you also get this from the garden to the rear as well. It's just a really quiet setting. No through traffic, so it makes it a perfect family home. You have your off-street parking for 2 cars, so you have your driveway. What you could actually do as well, which you can see, is you could take the gate down, you could actually build a garage at the rear, which I'll show you the space that you could do that. So you do have the potential there. But then this is your landscape garden to the front. But let's head inside. You can probably hear the birds in the background because it is such a peaceful location. And then just to give you an idea, this is the views from your front door, so it's just beautiful. We have such a great day for it as well to really showcase it. But let's head inside. So don't forget I said really high finish, which you'll see for yourself as soon as we come into your entrance hallway. It's a really bright property as well, which is just perfect. We are going to start upstairs and work our way down. So up here we have 2 of the 4 bedrooms. So I'm going to start to the left with the main bedroom. Really great size, and you'll see what I mean straight away about how bright this property is. Such a great main bedroom. Ample storage, which I am going to talk you through in just a second, but I just want to show you the sheer size of this bedroom. So you have wardrobe behind the doors just there. You have a built-in storage solution just there. Further storage in the eaves just there. That is also a storage cupboard that houses the boiler. And let me just give you an idea of the size because it's just brilliant. And you'll see where I've said about high standard, because even the doors are such a good quality. And then we come along the hallway. Currently this is being utilised as an office. So if you need to have a working from home space, this is perfect. A study space, a craft room. But this is just brilliant. And you would easily get a double bed into this space. Further storage in the eaves as well. And what I love is this wee little nook that you can come into, and you can take advantage of the views again. It's just beautiful. You can just imagine on a day like today having the window open, letting some fresh air in, because it is so peaceful that you'd be able to do that and work away in here. But another great sized bright room. Then we come into your modern high finish bathroom up here. So you have your shower rooms, you have your walk-in thermostatic shower at the end, the Velux window letting in plenty of light, wash hand basin and WC, and you've got your heated towel rail just behind the door there. It's just such a beautiful high finish in there. And then we're going to head downstairs, and I'm going to save my favourite room until the end, and you'll see why. But we come down into the hallway and step into your living room. Great sized family living room. Really, really spacious and so bright as well. Having that big window lets in so much natural light. And again, the views, taking full advantage at every opportunity. But it's such a great size. Not that we need it today because it's a lovely day here today, but you do have your log burner, so you can just imagine in the winter months or on the colder evenings, the log burner on, and it'd be such a great setting in here. And again, the doors, you can see the high finish and the attention to detail throughout. Flooring down here is your Candine flooring, so it's high quality, it's just perfect. And then we have 2 of the further bedrooms on the downstairs level, which is great for the 1 level living as well. So this is another of your bedrooms, currently a single bed, but you would easily get a double bed in here. Fitted wardrobes providing storage. And again, you can see the light flooding in. And I'm sure again, we're going to have another look to the views over the hills. And then we'll go into the final bedroom. So as I say, great option for one level living, as you've just seen a sneak peek there of the downstairs bathroom. But again, a great sized bedroom. And even from in here, it's so peaceful. I can hear the birds. Fitted wardrobes again, so ample storage options. And then this is your rear garden, which we're going to go out to, but that is your outlook. And then we come into your family bathroom. Again, high standard, just like the shower room upstairs. Modern and just perfect. Great big bath with your thermostatic shower overhead. What I love is how they've utilised the space and added additional storage just behind the door there. And then you'll have your heated towel rail, WC and wash hand basin. I love the mosaic tiles, just complements the modern style perfectly. And then storage understairs as well. But you can see just how you could have that one level living aspect if you do need that, having your 2 bedrooms and then your family bathroom. What's a great option as well is if you don't need to have 2 further bedrooms downstairs, you could easily make one of them a playroom just to keep the mess behind closed doors. But you've got options, which is just brilliant about this property. But what I've been waiting for, I'm saving the best till last, is this gorgeous open plan kitchen dining space. It is absolutely beautiful and the attention to detail is amazing, and I'm going to talk you through that as we go through. So you have plenty of space for your family dining table, so a great area for socialising, catching up at the end of the day. You can just imagine this being the real heart of the home. Plenty of natural light flooding in, which is just perfect. You've got your downlighters, again, plenty of light. So we're going to start with your island area here. So the whole wraparound is storage, so ample cupboard space. You can see you have the induction hob, extractor above, further storage at the end just here. Then coming to this section, you have storage, and what's great is every little detail has been thought of because you pull it out and it has all your smart solution storage inside. You have integrated fridge freezer, obviously your double oven. Then you pan round, more worktop space, even more cupboard space. So ample cupboard space, and behind here is your washing machine, so that is hidden away. And then further storage on this side of the island. So you really are spoiled for worktop and cabinet space. I just want to give you one last look because I love this kitchen. And then that's another sneak peek at your garden. We're going to head through. But this is the outlook from this side. So as I say, you can just imagine family, friends over and socialising. It's just a brilliant, brilliant space. But let's head outside. So this is your rear garden. I'm just going to pan round and then I will talk you through it. Beautifully landscaped. Plenty of different areas to really take advantage. You can see the hills in the distance. Beautiful day today, as I say, to really showcase this off. And it gives you a great idea as well. So this is just before lunchtime and the sun is in the rear garden. So you have your grassed area, dry and green, children to play on, pets, chipped area in the corner just there, patio area at the back. But what I wanted to talk about is, remember at the beginning where I said you had the potential if you wish to build a garage. So this gives you access round to the front, which you could take that fence down if you wish, extend the drive back. Now we do obviously have a summer house, a shed, etc. But it just gives you an idea of the size because you have all of this still. So you could easily build a garage, a workshop space, both, because you have the space. But you could, great potential there to make it work for you. So you have the seating area just up at the back here. Whether you want to do it on the patio area, you've got obviously the chipped area with a bench just there. You've got the gorgeous views. You've got the raised flower beds for your mature plants and shrubbery. You could also grow your own fruit and vegetables if you wish. But it's just a beautiful garden. So peaceful as well. You can hear the birds in the background. But let me just give you a full pan of this. Really is just ready to go, ready to come and start enjoying in the summer. So let's recap on number 4. That was the personal property tour for 4 Marionfield Place in Cupar. As you've just seen, a really beautifully presented 4-bedroom semi-detached property situated within this really quiet setting. You can probably still hear the birds in the background. You've got the countryside views from this beautifully landscaped garden to the rear. You've got your off-street parking for 2 cars. Stepping inside, it's all the attention to detail, really high finish. Great option with the 1-level living on the ground floor with the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. Upstairs you have a further 2 rooms, one of which can be utilised as an office or a home study area. So it really is a perfect family property while having everything on your doorstep, because you're just a short distance round the corner to Castle Hill Primary School, the Cupar Golf Course. You can just walk up the hill on Ceres Road and you've got countryside walks. Great commuting links from here as well, being the train station and the bus routes connecting you all across Fife and beyond. All your local amenities, groceries, doctors, dentists, you get everything on your doorstep while being in this really quiet, tucked away cul-de-sac and getting the perfect family home. So if you'd like to get further details, you can click the link on the video, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.